Florida DMV Test Prep 2026. In this video, you'll hear the questions, plus the correct answers revealed after 3 seconds. Happy learning, let's go. 1. A driver should refrain from honking. The correct answer is C. In the presence of blind pedestrians. 2. If a driver is anxiously looking ahead, towards the rear, and both sides, anticipating potential issues, they are. The correct answer is D. Defensively driving. 3. Which statement about seatbelts is false? The correct answer is D. Seatbelts are not necessary if you are driving a heavy vehicle. 4. If a pedestrian is standing or walking across a marked or unmarked crosswalk, what should you do? The correct answer is B. Stop and let the pedestrian pass. 5. While on the road, if another vehicle is passing you, increase your vehicle's speed until that vehicle has passed you. The correct answer is A. Never. 6. A Florida driver's license application must be signed by a parent if the applicant is under the age of. The correct answer is B. 18. 7. A new Florida resident must obtain a driver's license for the state within how many days? The correct answer is B. 30. 8. When can a driver stop on an expressway ramp? The correct answer is D. If there is no opening in the flow of traffic. 9. A Florida driver will incur a fine of upon the second conviction of failing to maintain PIP insurance on a vehicle. The correct answer is C. $250. 10. A driver should be cautious enough to foresee any dangers ahead while driving to avoid. The correct answer is C. Suddenly braking, panic stops. 11. Which of the following is not a level of the Graduate Licensing Program, GDA? The correct answer is C. Curfew license. 12. Drivers should adjust their headrests so the back of their head touches the head restraint, in case they are hit from behind by another vehicle while driving. The correct answer is D. To prevent neck injuries. 13. What is the purpose of the driver's license eye test? The correct answer is D. Confirming visual acuity, peripheral vision, night vision, glare resistance, and recovery, as well as depth and color perception. 14. A Florida driver could be charged with if he or she leaves the scene of a crash without informing the owner or law enforcement. The correct answer is D. A second-degree misdemeanor. 15. Letter represents a standard, non-commercial Florida driver's license. The correct answer is A. E. 16. A Florida resident must hold a learner's permit for before applying for a standard driver's license. The correct answer is D. 12 months. 17. The driver is about to turn right, but the bicycle is moving forward. What should the driver do? The correct answer is B. Allow the bicycle to travel out of your way and then turn right. 18. In the case of blank, you may not obtain a Florida driver's license. The correct answer is A. An out-of-state license suspension or revocation and/or drug or alcohol addiction. 19. If a person is going to stop his or her car to pick up a passenger, they should stop their car in front of which curb? The correct answer is D. Green, yellow, or white. 20. Which vehicle is turning legally if both were to come onto a divided highway? The correct answer is B. Car B. 21. Blank phrase can be added to a Florida driver's license upon request if the driver is diabetic. The correct answer is C. Insulin dependent. 22. The standard stopping distance of a vehicle is equal to. The correct answer is C. The reaction distance plus braking distance. 23. What is the appropriate conduct for a driver when a senior citizen is crossing an intersection? The correct answer is D. Wait, and make sure the senior citizen has completely crossed the road before driving ahead. 24. For driving slower or faster than the flow of traffic, you could. The correct answer is C. Receive a ticket for disrupting the traffic. 25. As a driver, what should you do if you miss an exit on an expressway? The correct answer is B. Go ahead to the next exit. 26. What should a driver do if they see an emergency vehicle moving into the lane behind them while using their siren and displaying red flashing lights? The correct answer is D. Pull over to the side and stop. 27. What should you do if you see a stray animal in front of your path? The correct answer is D. Slow down or stop completely and let the animal pass by, if it is safe. 28. A Florida driver will incur a fine of blank upon the second conviction of failing to maintain PIP insurance on a vehicle. The correct answer is A. $150. 29. What are common distractions that draw a driver's attention away from the road? The correct answer is C. Use of cellular communication devices while driving. 30. What does a white capital H on a blue background indicate? The correct answer is C. Hospital facility. 31. Under what circumstances is a car driver allowed to borrow another driver's disabled license plate and use it on their car without them? The correct answer is D. Under no circumstance can a driver borrow another driver's disabled license plate. 32. Blank are required to use the help of a guide dog or carry white canes while crossing the road. The correct answer is C. Blind pedestrians. 33. A Florida driver has to pay a blank fee to have his or her license reinstated if his or her license is suspended because of failure to pay a traffic citation. The correct answer is D. $60. 34. What can a driver do to prevent highway hypnosis? The correct answer is C. By shifting their eyes from one side of the roadway to the other. 35. Why is graduate driver's licensing, GDL, important for new drivers? The correct answer is D. All of these answers are correct. 36. A driver can be cited for driving blank if they disrupt the flow of traffic. The correct answer is B. Too slowly. 37. When the front tires of a vehicle ride on water instead of the road, it is referred to as. The correct answer is D. Hydroplaning. 38. A novice drive refers to a driver who has. The correct answer is B. Held a driver's license for at least 2 years. 39. Never, blank, near the scene of a collision, or anywhere law enforcement officials have pulled over another vehicle. The correct answer is D. Rubberneck. 40. If a driver doubles their speed on a highway, their braking distance will. The correct answer is C. Quadruple. 41. A driver should be blank of a vehicle equipped with airbags. The correct answer is C. Seated at least 10 inches away from the steering wheel. 42. Blank may be inside the test vehicle during the driving portion of the Florida license examination. The correct answer is D. An interpreter, a DMV official, and the potential driver. 43. While attempting to make a move after reaching an intersection before pulling out, you must follow the. The correct answer is D. Left, forward, right and left. 44. At the age of blank, a Florida resident may obtain a Class E driver's license. The correct answer is C. 16. 45. While passing a truck or a long commercial motor vehicle, the passenger car driver must not stay in the blank longer than needed to pass safely. The correct answer is D. No zone. 46. The general driving speed in the USA is blank in a school zone. The correct answer is B. 15 to 25 miles per hour. 47. Blank is how far a vehicle travels during the time the driver identifies the hazard and applies the brakes. The correct answer is C. Reaction distance. 48. The turn made by the blue car is blank, as illustrated in this picture. The correct answer is C. Correct as the car makes complete stop before turning. 49. Who do you think has the right-of-way in this image? The correct answer is B. The pedestrian. 50. Drivers are required to blank to the pedestrians even at an unmarked crosswalk. The correct answer is C. Yield and give the right of way. 51. In the state of Florida, a driver's license is valid for a minimum of. The correct answer is D. 6 years. 52. If two vehicles reach an intersection at the same time, then who has the right of way? The correct answer is A. The vehicle turning left must yield. 53. Texting while driving is a blank, meaning the driver can be pulled over by law enforcement officials if suspected of texting while driving. The correct answer is B. Primary offense. 54. A Florida learner's permit applicant who is under 18 years of age must. The correct answer is D. Be enrolled in a high school or have graduated. 55. In case of a traffic violation, the document or documents that must be presented by the driver is or are. The correct answer is D. Registration, driver's license, and proof of insurance.